Hello everyone, today we're diving into the spooky and delightful world of Nordic Ware Skull Bitelets, where mini skulls bring both shivers and smiles to your baking adventures. These bite-sized morsels can be extra cute or creepy, depending on your decorating flair, making them perfect for any festive occasion. Crafted from durable cast aluminum, this pan is oven-safe up to 400 degrees and boasts a total capacity of 2.5 cups, ensuring you can create a batch of these eerie treats with ease. Before each use, simply brush the pan with butter or shortening and dust with flour or cocoa for the perfect release, or opt for a baking spray containing flour, but steer clear of regular cooking sprays. Proudly made in the USA, this pan is designed to deliver consistent results every time, adding a touch of haunting elegance to your kitchen creations. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just want to surprise your family with a spooky snack, these skull bitelets are sure to impress. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your kitchen into a haven of hauntingly delicious treats. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.